Hi, my name is Cora Thompson with In the Gap Customs, here to talk to you about Brit with the Blanks School of Crafting and Entrepreneurship. When I found Brit with the Blanks, I was completely frustrated. I had joined other classes and paid subscriptions, and it was just not panning out how I thought it should. I'd only started business in March of this year, 2022, but things were not working out. I was still buying more equipment, still not getting the sales that I wanted to get. But I found Brit with the Blanks. She was talking about Shopify one night, and I got every live until she opened up her courses. And I decided to take Facebook 101 because I thought maybe I needed a Facebook group in order to drive my sales. Not knowing that I really needed everything. I needed Shopify. I needed to learn dropship. I got all those classes, and everything has really taken off from there. Not only that, just being in the free group, I have started to complete homework, which is get all my business articles and stuff together, which I have them, but putting it into perspective, creating a mission statement, even creating shirts that let people know that this is what I do has really helped. If you're not in Brit with the Blanks School of Crafting and Entrepreneurship, you are really missing out. Join today.